Hi everybody! Our today's video is about using instructional technology to foster 21st century teaching and learning. Teaching today is different from what it used to be less than 10 years ago. To prepare today's students, we're not only required to teach them academic subjects, but we're also required to train them to have a set of basic skills that should carry them through their lives and careers. For the purpose of today's video, we're going to highlight 3 skills that can be honed through the use of instructional technology. Our first skill here is effective communication and public speaking. Shy and quiet students are in every class and increasing in numbers and can be easily left out, but not if you use Flipgrid, whether the application or the website, to document their comments, their opinions. It's quite attractive application that I use to include all the students in a discussion. You will be surprised how shy and quiet students can reflect great talent in public speaking in front of a camera. Our second skill is creativity. For my language classes, I use Plotagon Studio. It's an amazing application that the students can use to build their own characters, scripts, dialogues. I use it for language learning where the students can create their own animations, skits, and do voiceover. It's fun and really engaging. Our third skill is self-guided learning. MOOCs, massive open online courses. As the name suggests, these are courses that are delivered online and can be accessed for free. Here are 3 examples for these websites. First, Khan Academy, which is a special and dear example due to their use of gamification as an educational strategy. So you're not only getting education, but fun education. The second is Scratch, which is a free online tool designed by MIT to help kids learn programming. Third, my beloved Spatulata website. This is not academic oriented like the others, but cooking with kids teaches life skills, nutrition, measurement, responsibility, and safety. I hope you found this useful and you may try 1 or 2 tools in your class next time. For questions and feedback, please leave a comment below this video or send me an email. Credits for this presentation template goes to Slide Carnival and photographs by Death to Stock Photo and pics by. Thank you and see you soon.